Moving on now, economic troubles might be piling up for common Russians here, and economists have warned that Moscow has become too reliant on oil income to cover expenses, adding that if crude prices do not rise as anticipated this year, then the government may be forced to increase taxes. Now, in early December, G7 member nations set a $60 price cap on Russian oil exports to limit Moscow's ability to finance the Ukraine war. And with that, the price of oil, Moscow's largest export, fell more than 20%. Now, the Russian government's 2023 budget is based on the price of a touch over $70 per barrel, but prices are now trading closer to $50 a barrel, sparking concerns for Moscow. The last few months, Russia has relied on China and India, the world's largest and third largest importers, to fill the price ceiling gap due to Western sanctions, the EU embargo to make it tougher for Moscow to export oil. In its note, the Alpha Bank warned that a decline in revenue from gas and oil exports looms on the horizon. Analysts, meanwhile, say that the oil price needed to balance the budget soared from $67 to $101 a barrel in 2022 as government spending increased by more than a quarter, partly to pay for its military presence in Ukraine. Back in December, Russia's Deputy Finance Minister Alex Azarov warned that there would be another tax increase and that the administration would continue exploring alternative tax bases in 2023. However, he added that it is still not certain as to which industries would see tax increases and how much of the burden would be placed on the populace. But what's clear is that income tax, profit tax, VAT rates would not change. As Russia's 10-month war operations in Ukraine continue, the government has hiked taxes significantly on oil and gas businesses. From 2023 through 2025, this is the largest increase of this kind in its history. And according to Reuters' budget study, Moscow will spend roughly a third of its budget, that's about $140 billion, on defense and security alone this year. And this leaves less money for health, education and research. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.